So in this TradingView tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the market cap of a stock here on the TradingView application. So the first thing you have to do is open up TradingView. Once that is done, for this example, let's go to the Explore tab right here at the bottom, right in the middle. I'll press on stocks right here. I'll actually use a Canadian stock for this example. So go to the top right here and press on Canada. I will then scroll down to the stocks right here. I'll press on the RBC stock, ticker symbol RY. Press on it to open up the stock chart. Now, if you want to view the market cap of this stock, or for any stock for that matter, on TradingView, simply just scroll down until you come across the key stats right here. And where it says volume, obviously skip that. Where it says market capitalization right here, as you can tell, 246.61 billion in Canadian dollars. But if you want to view more financials right here, for instance, you can press on more financials. You can go ahead and press on the market cap right here under key facts, etc. It's right in front of you guys at your disposal. So super simple, super straightforward, but that is how to view the market cap of a stock, in this case RBC, for this demonstration here on the TradingView application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.